Flask is creating web frameworks in Python programming language. Flask setup and run projects in PyCharm IDE. Desktop shortcut PyCharm icon, select, double click, open. Left side fourth icon, terminal, click. Flask installation before install in your PC Python and pip. Installation verifying process. Enter the text command python space version. Enter key press. Python installation latest version 3.13.3. Second text command pip pip space version. Enter key press. Pip installation latest version 25.0.1. Installation destination folder complete location display. Left side top section lo main menu icon, click. First one, file, new project option, select. Flask project related folder name and your convenient location, select. First one, location, right side folder icon, click. Desktop option, select. Second button, new folder, click. Delete key press. Flask projects. Enter key press. First button, select folder, click. Create, blue color button, click. Search everywhere section of 4 buttons display. Second button, new window, click. Flask project folder display, left side project window. Folder, select, mouse right click. New, first option, select. Sub panel first one, Python file, select. Enter the file name charitek.extension py. Enter key press. Newly created file charitek.py display. Next, installation Flask. Main menu, right click. Settings options, select. Left side project Flask projects option, select. Right side first one, Python interpreter option, select. First icon plus install icon, click. Available packages window lo search box lo Flask. Enter. First option Flask, select. Bottom side first button, install package, click. Wait and here few seconds. Package Flask installed successfully display. Close button, click. And installation packages display. OK, click. Terminal menu, click. Verify Flask installation. Flask space version. Enter key press. Python installation version 3.13.3. Flask installation version 3.1.0. Flask script, enter. From space Flask space import space Flask. Enter key press. Return output related executed any text, enter. Charitek info. Run this file. Mouse right click, run Charitek option, select. Terminal window lo running on or local host link display. Mouse left click. Address bar lo local host display. Output Charitek info Warangal display. Web page, close. PyCharm IDE, minimize. Created Flask project folder display on desktop, select, double click. Created folder and Python project file